Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix server error. There is a problem with your connection to our online services. Error code 4b538e50, or how to fix unable to connect to 2K server error NBA 2K26 game. So here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes mentioned in this video, first of all, check the NBA 2K26 server status. So you can go to this download detector website, or you can go to this NBA website. Links are given in video description. And if you find that the server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then in such case you don't have to follow any of the fixes mentioned in this video. Just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can launch the game and check. As you can see that NBA 2K Discord channel has said this news. We are seeing a ton of excitement and lots of players trying to play NBA 2K26. To keep things running smoothly at the start of early access and launch, the servers use a temporary safety system to ensure that the game remains stable. If you are not able to connect to server, please give it a few minutes and then try again. You are not doing anything wrong. So wait for a few minutes, and when their server status get back online, then you can launch the game and you will not face any error. But if their server is online and still you are getting the error, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select NBA 2K26 game and then select restore option. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 2 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Now go to PS5 settings, network. Go to setting, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and switch one by one to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then launch the game and see error fixed or not. Fix 3 is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to networks, set up internet connection, choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and then choose automatic in IP address settings, then choose don't specify in DHCP host name. Now in the DNS settings, select manual. Now in the primary DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS type 1.0.0.1, and for the proxy server choose do not use. Now hit OK and then launch the game and check error fixed or not. If not, then repeat this process once again, and in the primary DNS type 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS type 8.8.4.4 and then press OK and then launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. Fourth solution is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Also, you can restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then you can check. And this is the last solution, log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back to your account and then launch the game and check. So by following these steps, you can fix this server error or unable to connect to 2K server error code 4b538e50 in NBA 2K26 game on PS5s. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.